Hey guys, how's it going? So did Donald Trump just cause a stock market crash? I think he did, but we'll see what happens in the following week. So the market is heavily reliant on debt. It needs debt for it to go up. By Trump saying he wants to call off the stimulus negotiation with Democrats until after the election, market does not like that at all. The market wants this stimulus as soon as possible, or else the sell-off may continue to go. So right now, I'm very cautious about the market. It scares me because stimulus might not happen until after the election, and Donald Trump is probably not going to win the election. So Biden would basically have to approve the stimulus, or Biden would have to make the stimulus happen after the election, because I don't think Trump's going to win. It's going to be really interesting to see how Trump's reaction is after he loses, because he doesn't want to lose. He wants to win, and on top of that, he has the virus in him. So things are just weird right now. I don't know what's going to happen. By the time the election happens, by November 3rd, Trump is going to be very, very sick. Very, very sick, because the virus takes a couple weeks to really kick in before it becomes, bad. So, it's going to be a really weird election, in my opinion. Really weird. And I just don't know what kind of moves Trump's going to pull when he loses the election. I think they're going to have to drag him off the power seat or something, because he doesn't want to stop becoming president of the United States if he loses at all. So it's going to be really interesting to see how Trump reacts when he loses the presidential election. Because of Trump, the market is red. It went red. It just dropped off a cliff as soon as he said that. And it's so strange, but the markets are all connected. Because if you look at the SPY, boom, it went down. And right now it is bouncing back a little bit after. No, it's down another 0.5%, which is pretty big. And then, look at Diamond Peak Holdings. Boom. Same thing with the SPY. Tesla. Boom. Same thing with the SPY. And it's continuing to sell off. NEO. Boom. And it's, all the markets are connected. When the market sells off, everything sells off. GameStop. Boom. GameStop is bouncing back a little bit after hours. But if the market continues to go down, GameStop will go down with the market. Plug Power, same thing, but Plug Power recovered quite nicely after the crash. But all the stocks seem to crash with each other. Green Power, boom. I highly doubt this is a retail investor. This is one giant robot that is oh, Trump said something stupid, sell off. This is how the markets work with the bots. They're the ones that control the market. So if they hear bad news from Trump, they're probably monitoring Trump. As soon as he tweets something, boom, either the market goes up or goes down. So AMD, same thing. It was sitting at $86. Trump tweeted it, boom, crash. And now it's starting to fall again. Diamond Peak Holdings, the same thing happened. After hours, it's pulling back, down $1.70, 7.30%. I already talked about Diamond Peaks, but yeah, scary time right now to be in the markets. Solo is trading sideways. Beyond Meat is down 56 cents. Arca-Moto is trading sideways. Workhorse is down 18 cents. Trine Acquisition Corp didn't also kind of got affected a little bit, but not really, kind of. But since it's already at close to $10. It didn't really get affected as much as other stocks. Blink charging, same thing, you know. At the same time, the SPY dropped, Blink dropped dramatically and then bounced back, and now it's selling off after hours. Switchback Energy, not really. GMHI is already close to $10, so it didn't really get affected too much. Piedmont also didn't really get affected too. It's not attached to the main market. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp down $1.25. This looks extremely attractive to me, but the scary part is it could go down lower. So this could be a falling knife. Like, it literally looks like a falling knife right now. So I would wait closer to $10 if it hits $10. It might not, but I'm going to be patient with this one, and I definitely want to buy into this one because Bill Gates is backing it, but it doesn't matter if Bill Gates is backing it. All the SPACs right now seem to be selling off. Lithium America Corporation today didn't really get affected too much by the Trump thing. It kind of, but not really. Zoom didn't really get affected by the Trump thing. TAT Life Science got affected. Boom. So we'll see. TAT looks like a falling knife right now. I think it's gonna fall to around $2, $1.90, $2. I think that would be a good entry point if it goes down that low. It might bounce tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But right now, it looks like a falling knife. Cineplex. It seems like big money doesn't want to push this stock price back up. So that's the reality of it. We'll see where it goes. It's still very oversold right now. It had a nice bounce today, but it got faded really quick. CGC also got affected, you know, right at the same time as like the rest of the market. Same with Aurora. Same with Kron. Same with Tilray. Same with Afria. And Very Good Butchers, not really. Let's look at Liberal Health Science. Ooh, got affected. Harv, not really. Kira, not really. True Eve got affected. Crashgo, yep, kind of, but it bounced back a little bit. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.